I want y'all to check this thing out. I have been nothing but impressed with this refrigerator right here. This is 100% off the grid type refrigerator, which is absolutely amazing. I will show y'all exactly everything that it does and what you get with it when you get one of these things here. I do have it running off a solar panel right now, so I'm outside, and technically I never have to plug this thing in ever, as long as I have a solar panel. So how about that? Completely off the grid refrigerator. Let me just kind of go over some of the features with y'all real quick. So number one, when you get this, it's going to come just like this, and it's going to have a cord like this, which is a barrel type 12-volt plug, a set of instructions, and this battery door right here. It doesn't come with a battery. You do have to get this battery separate, and I'll leave links for both the refrigerator and the battery and this solar panel all linked below, so y'all could check out this whole system I have here. And looking at it right here, see how I can take the battery out, because the reason is it has these two covers, and believe it or not, it has two spaces for this battery. And the batteries that they offer, 15,600 milliamp batteries. How awesome is that? That is a big battery for this thing, and you can see it's still running. I don't know if you can see in the camera there, but I'm at 75 degrees because I have it open. I've got it set for 30. And just going over some of the specs with y'all, let me just kind of go over it. Number one, a very tough feeling with texturing on it. It has a measuring device here for like a fish. It has a cup holder here, but check this out. This door is actually, you can go either side. You can go that way or this way with it. So if you got it mounted a certain way and you wanted to turn your door around, it will work just fine like that. And the batteries are 342 watt capacity with 50 hours and 16 hours of freezer time. So you got 50 hours if it's off the grid of just straight power. And this has like a green type eco mode that only uses 24 watts of power, where the max mode uses 38 watts of power. And you know what? You never have to buy ice with this. This is just a complete grab and go. You can have steaks, you can have ice cream, seafood, pretty much anything you want to fit in this thing, you can run in that. From -4 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. That's amazing that you actually have a refrigerator like that. And then the actual capacity of it is a 35 liter, which is 37 quart, large capacity. That means it can fit up to like 50 cans of soda and up to 31 water bottles. And the overall dimensions of this thing is 24 by 17 and 3 by 15 and 6 width wise. So it's actually a pretty small package for considering what all it does. But the number one feature of this thing is how many like ways you can charge it. You can use the supplied barrel plug here. You can use the AC adapter there, or you could use a solar panel with battery and detachable battery. That's 4 ways you can have this thing running. That is absolutely amazing how you can run this 4 different ways of getting power. So that is 100% completely off the grid power on that. This thing has been absolutely amazing. Highly recommend it. Feels almost indestructible when you fill of it. This thing feels like it's a tank, like it could be off the side of a mountain and be fine with it. I will leave links for all of this that I have here in the description below for all of y'all that are interested in this. But this is one of these items where you don't know you need it until you get it. And then after you get one of these, you never want to go back to a cooler. But yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the EENOUR refrigerator. Look at that gasket. Check it out. See you guys in the next video. Woo!